First thing I did was woke up to you, Gabe.
To me?
Woke up to you.
What? Oh, texting you asking if we're still good?
Yeah, like we're still good.
No. I mean,
no
you know,
matter what, I'm pulling up.
You know, sometimes I forget to text, and I just, I want to make sure we all good.
You texted me yesterday, and I'm pulling up. Then you text me at 7 a.m. I'm thinking I'm missing like something important, and then it's Gabe. We good today? No, we're good every Wednesday. With that being said, I hope you have a fantastic morning. Good morning to you. Good evening. Good night. Wherever time. Hope the sun is shining where you're at. But today, over the weekend, the little homie came, and he was trying to do blizzard flip, which he did. And Gabe's like, "Oh, how come you don't do that trick?" And I was like, "I don't know how to back three." But he's like, "You don't even need to know how to back three to land this trick." And I was like, "You think?" Now we're here. Now we're here.
Now we are here.
And I'm gonna battle blizzard flip. That's what they call it. 360 kick flip, I think it's called. Blah, blah, blah. With that being said, we might be here forever. We might not. I'm gonna do some warm-ups, backside flip, back 180s, kick flip. We're gonna do all the basics, and then we're gonna get straight into it. Let's get it.
Suzy, what is going on with those, bro?
Come on, bro. I did the legendary knot right here.
That's the most pop I've ever seen you do.
That's... Oh! Yeah. It was a good Sunday, y'all. The Oakland Raiders, the Las Vegas Raiders, they won a game. Wow. That's what I get. I never kickflip this way.
Can I try this with you?
No.
Absolutely not. Dan.
Yeah,
You need to sit down and just
last
watch.
video you tried to do with me, you didn't skate.
He took your thunder.
No, he landed it and then he couldn't skate.
Oh wait.
Because he smacked his...
Oh yeah, huh?
We need to pump him out today. Nah, but go ahead, try it if you want. If they don't pop, I don't land them.
Yeah, I mean that's gonna be the blizzard flip for you as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm getting nervous already, buddy. That's disgusting. What's crazy, I used to know how to backside flip. Not no more. No more, no more, no more. Gotta flick it out. That's
I feel like your timing's hella off.
Yeah.
Like you be popping and flicking at the same time. I'm not trying to roast him. I'm just like observing what I'm seeing.
Yeah, brother. I lost him. Wow, that was the most disgustingest.
Hey, that was basically it though. All you gotta do is revert the final little 90 degrees.
I can't believe how ugly that was. I gotta try it again. What the freak?
Oh my God.
I'm mad at myself, y'all. That don't even make sense, honestly. I swear there's videos of me doing fire backside
Hell
flips.
yeah.
That was even more rock. You know what? I'm done with that trick. You think I should do tray flip or big flip?
Neither.
Neither?
Yeah, it's not. It's just gonna mess up your pop.
Let's try a little simple.
Exactly like that. I thought you said you couldn't back three.
I mean, if you consider me doing back threes like that, a back three.
Yeah. That's it.
That is, I wish I could back three. Leave in the comments below, you can help me learn how to back three. Think I should try one?
Pop really hard.
Yeah. You got it.
You think that's it?
You got
The
it.
way it flicks on my foot, it feels like, I ain't gonna lie, that's how a backside flip's supposed to feel, but it doesn't feel.
Yeah.
But this is like, I feel like I got a little finesse to this one.
Literally, yeah. Just try it. Do backside flip and turn your shoulders, and you got it. Yeah, you for sure got that.
It feels cool because when I'm spinning, then I flick it a little late.
Yeah.
And it's like, damn, you're gonna land it, Playboy.
Pause. What the
Think that's money?
You're just leaning a little, your like weight is staying on this side of the hip.
So
And you gotta like shift your weight over so that it's going to this side.
All right. Oh, that back ankle was acting crazy.
Oh!
I gotta land more on leaning back some, huh? Was that it?
Yeah, like the more your weight is on your back foot, the easier it'll be to pivot. If you're landing on your front foot, it's gonna be harder.
Oh!
So close.
It was just in a matter of time I might land it. I was trying right there. Oh!
Hey, your shoulders are stopping as if you're doing a backside flip. You gotta keep rotating.
I'm stopping right there. I gotta keep it going.
You gotta keep your momentum going. Oh yeah.
That was better.
That was better. Stayed under you too.
It feels so right, but it feels so wrong.
Oh my God!
Yep. I thought I was going down like James Brown right there.
Oh!
You know what I'm talking about? Lil, you know what I'm saying? I'm hearing some movement out there. I gotta land it.
That's it, brother.
It's a hard one to conquer.
You should take your girl to the haunted forest.
Where's the haunted forest at? I've never been to really anything haunted.
Dude, you should go.
I'm kind of
Fun.
scared.
It's a 30-minute hike through a forest, and they set up like stuff out there to scare you.
Where's it at?
It's in a city called Winters, up like a little bit north of where I live.
That's since.
Oh my gosh.
Did I clip that? What am I doing wrong? Spin the board or my body?
Your body. But then your board will spin.
I fried that one. Oh, that was it.
That was it.
That was literally it. That was the closest one I got to.
You land this, you'll be a G, Jimmy.
Well, looks like I'm gonna be a G.
Oh yeah.
I thought that was money, honestly. Holy! Oh! We dropped the phone. What was going on right there? That's a bummer. That wasn't it. Oh!
Just came up a little short there, brother.
That was full though, damn near. If I had a bigger hip, I might have landed it. You think?
You said what? If you had
A bigger hip.
maybe.
Maybe. Felt full though. It felt cool though. I feel like I'm moonwalking.
Uzi's right. You gotta keep turning.
I can't.
You're stopping every time.
I can't keep it together. It's like I'm terrified to do that. Just do it, huh?
Just do it, man.
Ain't nothing gonna happen, man.
Just
right
do
here,
it.
man.
Now that was good rotation right there, brother.
This one's really pissing me off, brother. They call me the sketch god for a reason. Why they call you sketch god? Because everything I land is sketchy. I'm gonna switch my name to that. Then they can't hate, because I'm already saying I'm sketch. I'm going somewhere now. Woo! They call me kickflip 360 god. Kickflip 360 god. I am the god that kickflip. Was that it?
Son, how'd you land that?
Oh! And I did a tray flip after. I'm so hyped. Was that it though?
That was good, yeah.
Let me try one more. Oh! What a great friend to catch that. Last try right here. Normally when you land it, then you start trying to do it again, that's when you fall very hard.
Oh!
One more. I think Gabe taught me the secret. No! That was it. One last try for sure. I got scared of the 5, but
God, you could not have done that better.
it was all in the bend of my knees, I'm pretty sure. 30 minutes with me, brother. You had 29 minutes with me. Woo! I woke up and didn't think I was gonna land that trick. That's how you conquer. Shout out, Gabe.
Look at you.
Honestly, it felt pretty good. I think I might have figured that out, so you might be seeing that trick a lot more.
No, that was really good.
Shout out the Warriors. Shout out y'all. Y'all the real people. Like, comment, subscribe, videos to the left. Follow me on Instagram @GlowBorder. We all love you and show some love. Bam!